All right, today guys, we're going to talk about how to adjust the power liftgate on the 2018 Highlander. Now we're here at the rear of the Highlander. What I'm going to do is open it up, and it's really a lot easier than most people think. You're going to use your power liftgate button located right here. Just to the right of the hatch, it'll tell you you want to hold it for 2 seconds to adjust the height. So what that means is you'll press this button, let it go down, stop it wherever your desired height is, hold it for 2 seconds. Once you hear that, you're set. So we'll close it. Now reopen. And it stops at the height you had it set at. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all your support. Until next time, drive safe, be safe, stay informed.